Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off automatic payments in PayPal. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, you're going to go and be opening up the official PayPal website right here, paypal.com if you have not already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page. But first we need to log into your account. So if in the upper right corner you want to go ahead and get started logging into your account from which you want to turn off the automatic payments from. So by logging in you'll be greeted by this home page right here. Now this is our main page where we can take a look at our PayPal balance, we have our recent activity, we can send money, request money, and so on, and now we can get started. So basically what do you have to do to turn off automatic payments? Well, this is easy. All we need to do first is go ahead and open up our settings tab. So you can open up your settings by clicking the gear icon right here in the upper right corner. By clicking the gear icon, it's going to open up the following settings. So as you can see, this is now going to open up our account settings, and we can select what kind of settings we want to manage, either account, security, data and privacy, and so on. And basically guys, what you can do is go ahead and manage your automatic payments right here from your settings tab. So in the settings tab, we can now go ahead and manage how much payments we want to make, how much we want to make them, and how we can make them. So if you want them to be automatic or not, you can open up the payments tab right here. So you can go ahead and manage all your settings for your payments, automatic payments if you want them or not, from your security tab and from your payments tab. And then you can go ahead and get started managing your account, how you want payments, and so on. If you do not want to make any payments, you can just remove all the cards from your account from the section right here in your PayPal balance, and you will not be able to make any payments, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.